Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your eXp Realty account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your eXp Realty account, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the eXp Realty login page. Look for the Forgot Password link. Click on that link to proceed. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. Type in your registered email address. Next, click on the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder in case it lands there. Open the email and look for the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will direct you to the password reset page. Enter your new password in the designated field. Make sure to create a strong password that meets the required criteria. After confirming, look for the Reset Password button. Click on that button to complete the process. You should see a confirmation message indicating your password has been reset. Now, return to the eXp Realty login page. Enter your email address and your new password. Click on the Login button to access your account. If everything is correct, you will be logged in successfully. Congratulations, you've successfully reset your eXp Realty account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.